What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So today's video, I'm going to be talking about the eclipses and the effect it has on the market, specifically the Bitcoin price. Now, I've been following several astrologers, and most of them do mention the importance of the eclipses affecting the markets, and not just the markets, sometimes global events, and it's almost like an omen of what might happen. Now, I've done previous videos about this more in depth of what has happened during eclipses and how the market seems to have turnarounds, or let's say crashes, around eclipses. So we are currently going to be entering a lunar eclipse in the next couple of weeks. I believe it's March 14th when we're going to be having a total lunar eclipse, and this could be a pivot point of where the markets might be going. Now, there's a guy called Waters Above, where he believes that eclipses go within lunar cycles and solar cycles. So when we have a solar cycle, meaning that there's total solar eclipses in a year, this is when BTC price starts going up. And when there are lunar cycles, which is where we'll be entering this year, the Bitcoin price tends to be going down. Now, you can see this in one of his charts demonstrating this concept. But this would also mean that the crypto market is about to enter a bear market. Now, some astrologers analyze the specific eclipse, when it's occurring, under what influence of the sky, and how much impact it would have on the market. And some of these astrologers don't believe that this lunar eclipse will have a huge impact on the market. Now, what I could observe personally, these eclipses for me seem more to be like pivot points. So analyzing the charts, you could see that when we are close to whether a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse, 3 out of 4 times tends to pivot or continue a decline or continue acceleration up, or a reversal. So this is what I can observe with these eclipses, as well as already how I mentioned, I've done videos in the past where I've shown that during some of these eclipses we had major events like the Terra Luna collapse was close to a lunar eclipse, either on that date or around that date. There was a total lunar eclipse, and ironically Terra Luna collapsed to almost nothing. So personally, what I'm thinking, just analyzing other astrologers, other technical analysis, is we might have a top in the next couple of months. So I've seen many point out the date of April all the way up to June, where we will have BTC top. And this lunar eclipse might signal the pivot point of where we might actually resume the bull run, but then it would only last a couple of months. So that's what I am hoping, that this lunar eclipse will actually be a pivot point for in the middle of March. Then we start resuming, as currently the Bitcoin price is fairly declining. It seems it wants to find a bottom. So in the next week or so, we still might be looking for a bottom, maybe stabilize in the first week of March. And then hopefully in the second week after this lunar eclipse, we might continue this bull run and pretty much end it. All right, that is what I'm hoping and what I'm keeping an eye on. And then we have another lunar eclipse, a total lunar eclipse in September, and that's where I can entertain the idea of having a double top like the previous bull run, or just having basically a bull trap. And some believe we might have an all-time high around that, the lunar eclipse. September, October time frame. And that could be it for BTC and the altcoins. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think. Until next time, peace.